Ever wondered what perfume would make you stand out in any crowd? In the vast sea of fragrances, finding that signature scent, one that truly encapsulates your unique essence, can be quite a challenge. But fret not, the answer may very well lie in the heart of Mancera's exquisite collection. Today, we're going to explore an olfactory delight known as Mancera Choco Violette. It's not just about smelling good, it's about making a statement, leaving an unforgettable impression long after you've left the room. Perfume is an art, an expression of who you are, and Mancera Choco Violette, with its distinct blend of scents, is a masterpiece. So, whether you're a connoisseur of fine fragrances or simply curious about what makes this perfume a standout, we'll be dissecting every aspect of it, from the packaging and presentation to the scent profile, and even its performance and longevity. Today, we dive deep into the world of Mancera Choco Violette. A perfume is more than just a scent, it's an experience starting from the packaging itself. The Mancera Choco Violette perfume makes a grand statement with its packaging. The bottle, a work of art in itself, is a testament to the luxurious experience that awaits inside. Its design is a fusion of classic elegance and modern sophistication. The bottle's sleek lines and rounded edges, combined with the deep, enchanting chocolate hue, evoke a sense of mystery and allure. The glossy, dark violet color of the cap and label add a touch of opulence, while the embossed Mancera logo is a mark of quality and authenticity. The packaging is more than just a container. It's an invitation, a promise of the sensory journey that awaits. It teases the senses, building anticipation for the fragrance within. This is a perfume that understands the power of first impressions and the importance of aesthetics. Mancera Choco Violette's packaging truly sets the stage for the olfactory delight that lies within. Now, let's uncover the magic within the bottle. Our journey begins with the radiant opening notes of Mancera Choco Violette. The perfume greets you with a delightful burst of sweet and nutty notes. Imagine a garden in full bloom, with delicate violets pushing through the fresh earth, their scent mingling with the morning dew. This is the first impression of Choco Violette, a tantalizing hint of what's to come. As the scent begins to evolve on your skin, it's like stepping into a different scene. That initial nutty sweetness gives way to a heart of warmth and richness. This is where the chocolate and vanilla notes come into play. It's akin to walking into a boutique chocolate shop with rows of artisanal chocolates crafted with care and precision. The aroma of cocoa beans and vanilla pods creates an intoxicating blend that's both comforting and indulgent. But the magic doesn't stop there. As the perfume settles, it transitions into its base notes. Here, the scent profile becomes deeper, more sophisticated. The lingering aroma of white musk adds a subtle sensuality to the mix, while the hint of Madagascar vanilla provides a unique twist. This final phase of Choco Violette is like the closing act of a symphony, a harmonious blend of notes that leaves a lasting impression. Throughout this olfactory journey, it's clear that Mancera Choco Violette is not just a perfume, but a narrative in itself. Each layer of scent tells a story, from the vibrant opening to the warm heart and the elegant finale. It's a perfume that doesn't merely smell good, it speaks to your senses, evokes emotions, and creates an experience that's uniquely yours. And let's not forget the star of the show, the combination of chocolate and violet. It's an unusual pairing, but Mancera has executed it flawlessly. The sweetness of the chocolate balances the floral notes of the violet, resulting in a scent that's both unique and universally appealing. Mancera Choco Violette is a captivating blend of sweetness and sophistication. So when is the perfect time to wear Mancera Choco Violette, you might ask? This fragrance, with its refined blend of chocolate and violet notes, is remarkably versatile. It's the kind of scent that doesn't confine itself to any one season, making it a perfect companion throughout the year. Picture yourself on a cozy winter evening, wrapped in a warm blanket, the air filled with the comforting aroma of Mancera Choco Violette. Now imagine a breezy spring afternoon, the scent subtly lingering as you pass by, a delightful hint of the season's renewal. As for occasions, Mancera Choco Violette is adaptable to a variety of scenarios. It's sophisticated enough for a formal event, yet playful and inviting for a casual gathering with friends. Its unique scent profile allows it to shift seamlessly from a day at the office to a night on the town. In essence, Mancera Choco Violette is a fragrance that can complement your personality in any setting. The true test of a perfume lies in its performance. Now let's talk about the performance, projection, sillage, and longevity of Mancera Choco Violette. These are the aspects that truly define the power and presence of a fragrance. Starting with performance, Mancera Choco Violette is a superstar. It's like a symphony that plays beautifully throughout the day. From morning till evening, the notes of dark chocolate and violet interweave in a delightful dance, remaining consistent and captivating. Moving on to projection, this is the radius of the perfume's scent, the distance from which it can be smelled. With Mancera Choco Violette, it's like a soft, inviting whisper that draws people in. It doesn't scream for attention but subtly announces its presence. It's the kind of perfume that can be smelled from a comfortable arm's length, not overpowering but pleasantly noticeable. Now, the sillage, or the scent trail left behind when you walk past. Mancera Choco Violette leaves a trail as tantalizing as a mystery novel. It's a lingering whisper of chocolate and violet that leaves people wondering, what's that enchanting scent? It's a fragrant echo that gently lingers in the air, marking your presence even after you've moved on. Finally, we come to longevity, the duration for which a perfume lasts. Mancera Choco Violette doesn't just pass the test, it sets the benchmark. On average, it lasts a good 8 to 10 hours, sometimes even longer, depending on your skin type and the climate. It's the kind of fragrance that stays with you, accompanying you throughout your day and well into the evening. In conclusion, Mancera Choco Violette is a fragrance that performs brilliantly, projects subtly yet noticeably, leaves a mesmerizing sillage, and has impressive longevity. It's an olfactory journey that doesn't end quickly, but rather unfolds gradually, revealing new facets with each passing hour. With Mancera Choco Violette, you are sure to leave a lasting impression. Let's recap our aromatic journey with Mancera Choco Violette. We embarked on a sensory adventure today, diving into the world of luxury perfumes. The highlight of our exploration is none other than the Mancera Choco Violette, a fragrance that is as tantalizing as it is captivating. In our journey, we first admired the packaging and presentation of this perfume. The luxurious bottle, with its sleek design and exquisite detailing, is a testament to Mancera's commitment to quality and aesthetic appeal. It's not just a perfume, it's a piece of art that you'd be proud to display on your dresser. Next, we delved into the scent profile of Mancera Choco Violette. This perfume is a symphony of aromas, merging the richness of dark chocolate with the floral sweetness of violet. The result is a fragrance that's both unique and irresistibly enticing, a scent that leaves a lasting impression on anyone lucky enough to experience it. We also discussed the versatility of this perfume. Its scent profile makes it suitable for a variety of seasons and occasions. Whether it's a cozy winter evening or a lively summer party, Mancera Choco Violette can complement the atmosphere perfectly. It's a fragrance that adapts to your needs, making it a valuable addition to any perfume collection. Finally, we explored the performance of Mancera Choco Violette. It's not just about the captivating scent, it's also about how that scent projects and lingers. With impressive projection, sillage, and longevity, this perfume ensures that your presence is felt and remembered. It's a fragrance that stays with you, accompanying you throughout your day and leaving a trail of mesmerizing scent in your wake. In conclusion, Mancera Choco Violette is more than a perfume. It's an experience, a statement, a journey into a world of luxury and sensuality. Its alluring scent, stunning presentation, and remarkable performance make it a fragrance worth experiencing. Whether you're a perfume enthusiast or simply looking for a fragrance that stands out, Mancera Choco Violette is worth your attention. So, are you ready to make a statement with Mancera Choco Violette? This perfume is more than just a fragrance. It's an experience. From the moment you lay your eyes on its exquisite packaging, you're drawn into a world of luxury and elegance. It's like opening a beautifully wrapped gift, and inside is a scent that's nothing short of extraordinary. With its unique blend of dark chocolate and violet notes, Mancera Choco Violette is a perfume that doesn't merely blend into the background but stands out and leaves an impression. It's a perfume that says, "Here I am, notice me, remember me." And isn't that what we all want from a scent? To be remembered? Whether it's for an evening out, a special occasion, or simply to make every day feel like a special occasion, Mancera Choco Violette is a perfume that demands to be experienced. so why not give it a try? Thank you for joining us on this sensory journey. Stay tuned for more perfume reviews, and remember, your scent is your signature.